Tired of weak security cameras? Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera solves your nighttime woes with 700 lumens of brilliance. Ever feel like your home security is stuck in the dark ages? Weak lighting, false alarms, and constant battery changes can leave you frustrated and vulnerable. Enter the Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera, a game-changer designed to banish your security woes. With 700 lumens of motion-triggered LED lighting, this wire-free marvel lights up your property like a stadium, ensuring no shadow goes unchecked. Say goodbye to blurry footage and hello to crystal-clear 1080p HD live view, day or night. It's time to upgrade from meh to magnificent with a camera that actually works as hard as you do. But what about those annoying false alerts? The Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera solves that too. Its enhanced motion detection and person detection, with an optional Blink subscription plan, ensure you only get notified when it matters, like when a person approaches, not a stray cat. Dual zone detection lets you customize the areas you want to monitor, so you're always in control. Plus, with Alexa compatibility, you can arm, disarm, or activate lights using just your voice. It's like having a security system that's smart enough to know the difference between a threat and a tree branch. Worried about complicated setups and endless maintenance? The Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera is here to save the day and your weekend. Its no-drill installation option makes setup a breeze, especially for vinyl sidings, saving you time and money on professional installation. And with a 2-year battery life, you won't be constantly climbing ladders to recharge or replace batteries. Compared to other security cameras, this one is a no-brainer. It's durable, affordable, and designed to withstand the elements, rain or shine. Still concerned about storage and accessibility? The Blink Outdoor 4 has you covered. With the included sync module too, you can store clips locally using a USB drive, sold separately, or opt for cloud storage with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. This means you'll always have evidence at your fingertips, whether it's a suspicious activity or a hilarious delivery mishap. The floodlight's brightness is even adjustable via the Blink app, so you can customize it to suit your needs. It's not just a camera, it's your home's first line of defense. In a world of overpriced, overcomplicated security systems, the Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera stands out as a tech-tested, user-friendly, and affordable solution. Whether you're looking to protect your family, deter intruders, or simply light your way home, this camera does it all, and does it brilliantly. Don't just secure your home, upgrade it with the Blink Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera. Your peace of mind is worth it.